Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics in that third chapter, money and credit. So today the subtopic of this chapter is terms of credit. So each and every policies or the rules and regulations they have. Usually when we are taking a loans or for example, if you want to buy a washing machine, the terms and conditions of warranties are the required of any electrical devices or anything if you are buying in a market, that is a buying. Now uh, now when we are taking a huge amount from a bank, so taking here the credit, taking a loans in a particular bank, they have their own rules and regulation, terms and conditions which will be applied on a who is taking that amount. Okay, so they have some agreements in according to their banks. It will be the when any bank, any account holder, if they are taking a loan, the each bank they have their own uh, agreements as well as interest rate. It will be differ one bank to another bank. Along with that, the which loan we are the taking, it is whether it is a education loan, whether it is a gold loan, whether it is a house loan. Such a nowadays we have several loans in the banks. They are ready to give a amount on the basis of interest rate. So for that purpose, the documentation is very important. The documentation means they will ask some documents to represent the in front of the banks. Okay. So the interest rate, when a specific an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lenders along with the payment of the principal. Okay, so in the addition, the who are the lenders, the may demand that security the against the loan. So the security is required for to when we are the taking any loans from to the bank. Security. So for example, if I am taking a house loan, so they will ask details where I am working, how much salary per month I am getting. Such details, the documental records they will ask. So this security assist that the borrower of owns, whether they are having their own land, buildings, or vehicles, livestocks. So to deposit the bank. Yes. So why they are asking this? Suppose if I am taking a 10 lakhs loan, I am unable to repay that. So that time that security what we are uh, kept under the bank, they will take action on those security. So when to repay these loans, the lenders has right to sell that what the security on the basis they are the kept. And these property such as the land or any other things which they are the kept as deposits with the banks or the livestock. Yes, uh, if they want a gold loan, they have to be keep a gold. Yes, if the education loan they are the required, so they have some different conditions required for to take that amount. So interest rate as well as the security documentation requirement of the main mode of repayment of that repayment of the together compare, it is called as a terms of credit. So then documentation requirement, interest, all those things, those are the modes of repayment together is known as a terms of credit. So this terms of the credit is when we see that it is just like one credit arrangement for to the another. So when it is depending on the nature of the lender or the borrowers, so next that in they are having the agreements when they are the signing, when they are the taking the loan, they are the having some agreements through the bank. Here one example they given to understand that is, so one person, the name that person has Omega has taken a loan of 5 lakhs for what purpose? To purchase a house. So that annual interest, it is on a loan, that is a 12%. Okay, so she has to be paid that repay in the how many years? It is a 10 years, and that 5 lakhs every month they have to be give as an installment. So for that purpose the submission, what the document they are needed. So the documentation for to the take the 5 lakhs, that is showing the employment records and as well as a salary slip, and whether the bank is agreed to give to loan her. Yes, so these for the security, what the security is required for to the, that is a main important thing, that is a salary. Yes, so for to the loan which is taking to the buy a new house. So here one a small fill in the blanks they are the given. Yes, loan amount how much? 5 lakhs. During of loans how much? The 10 years. Document required, what the document she is submitting? The employment records as well as a salary slip. Interest rate how much it is? 12%. And mode of repay, that is a installment. So security what she's kept here, that is the papers of a new house. So papers of the new house only she kept as a security. So today's we are discussed the terms of credit. You can refer NCERT textbook. Tomorrow we'll discuss some examples, which is the here some examples they given about the variety of the credit arrangements. So here some village examples they given. So we'll discuss this 4 to 5 examples they are there. For the reference you can refer NCERT textbook. Thank you.